All right, guys, we went to Kroger, and now we're going to show you what we got. We're going to do a Kroger haul. Okay. Oh, well, first thing out of the bag, rotisserie chicken, and it smells delicious. I like the Kroger rotisseries, and Sam's Club is my favorite. So the chicken was $7.99.
But one uncooked is that much.
Okay. And we got some bananas. I don't know how much those were. Do you remember?
59 cents a pound.
59 cents a pound for bananas. I know whenever we do hauls, people like to know the prices in our area. And that's what I like to watch when I do a haul, the prices. So, yeah, these Honeycrisp apples are on sale for $2.99 a pound. Well, Billy got 4 thinking, oh, that's about a pound. And I didn't even lift them up. And I was like, I bet those are 2 pounds at $2.99. It was 2 pounds, 14 ounces for 4 apples. And how much did you say they were? Did you look?
Like $7.99.
That was, maybe $7.14 or something. $7 and something. He's like, what?
Yeah,
only got
I should have
4
put them back.
But then the bags of them are on sale, but they're smaller for $2.99 for a 2-pound bag or 3-pound bag. It's like, well, that would have been cheaper. Well, I don't even know what these are. Plums? Is that what they're?
Black plums.
Black plums. 4 of those. I don't remember how much those were. Of course, he went off and got all this stuff by himself. I wasn't with him on that. Oh, the Honeycrisp apple says $3.49 a pound is what they were, not $2.99. And these, I don't know. I can't tell. I can't find them on there. I'm trying to, so you don't get bored with what I'm doing. Because I'm kind of boring.
Nah.
Nah, not you. I got a stalk of celery. And some romaine lettuce. I like to cut this up and make salad out of this. Or you can use the leaves for a
sandwich.
BLT or chicken salad. Something like that in there.
Without the bread.
Exactly.
Or tuna salad or chicken salad.
These are $3.99 and the celery was $2.39. Oh. And Billy's been wanting chicken, so we got some more chicken. We got chicken wings. And this is Heritage Farm brand. The total was $12.39 at $3.49 a pound. So, got that. And onions. Do you remember what the onions were?
I don't.
This is a 3-pound bag of just yellow onions.
I think it was $3.99 or
onions $3.29.
$3.29.
Yeah, the bananas were 59 cents a pound. And I like pork chops. So we got some pork chops, and they were on sale this week. So $6.61 for pork chops.
We should have just got a pig butchered.
At $2.99 a pound. Smoked sausage on sale for $3.99, Johnsonville. And I've got some cabbage, so we're going to have cabbage and smoked sausage. And onions. Who loves that?
Me.
And we got some Kroger thick cut bacon, $5 a pound. Which is expensive from what I normally get bacon. But the store I get it at is out. Because they have the big bags. I don't know how many pounds it is. It's like $2.99 to $3.29 a pound, but you have to buy a big bag of it, and then we buy that, and they're like between $30 and $40.
It's about 4 times that one.
Oh yeah, about $30 or $40 for the bag, and then I vacuum seal it, stick it in the freezer, and we're out. And I called them, and they don't have any either. So that's it for this, and the grand total was $63.91. And Billy's like, oh, that's why I don't take him grocery shopping a lot at Kroger.
It's very expensive at Kroger.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys. And we're supposed to get an Aldi local. So
Looking forward to that.
they haven't opened. They haven't even started yet. But that's what is going around. Taco Bell, Aldi. We're moving up in the world. We're not just going to be all Southern Ohio, Appalachia. We're getting some stuff here. Now, if we could just get a Popeyes.
Yeah, there you go.
Even
or a
close.
Cracker Barrel.
We don't even have any of that close. We have to go 50 miles at least to get that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please. Help us grow. And we love you all. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out. Have a great day.